Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, today we are going to discuss a new lesson and the name of the lesson is the tsunami. Okay, while seeing the topic itself, we can understand that today we are going to discuss about tsunami in the old lesson and how people faced this unfortunate incident, right? So before we are moving into the topic, what is tsunami? Okay, here tsunami refers to the very large and powerful waves in the sea. So it's caused by some earthquake under the sea. So whenever the earthquakes comes under the sea, then a large and powerful waves it will come. Sometimes too many waves it will come. So it is called tsunami. So one such calamity it's several countries on December 26, 2014. In that the most affected part were the coastal part of India because they are the nearer to the sea, right? Like Andaman Nicobar Island and Thailand. So in the tsunami, some around 1,50,000 people they lost their lives, but animals they suffered few in casualty. So these are the points we are going to discuss in this lesson. This lesson is a collection of real life story which is based on the 2014 tsunami, right? So the story are taken from different countries from all over the world. So in this lesson we are going to discuss a few stories of bravery and intelligence when the tsunami hits. So let us move on to the topic in the tsunami. So our lesson tsunami is divided into three parts. The first part we have four incidents from Andaman Nicobar Island. The second part talks about the Tilly incident from Thailand. The third part is talks about the animal sense, right? So the first story is about the Ignatius. He was a manager of cooperative society in Andaman Nicobar Island. So on the day of tsunami, his wife waked him up by 6 a.m. because on the time she felt an earthquake. So the Ignatius put the television on the ground to save it from the earthquake. Then all the family members they rushed out of the home. When the earth stopped shaking, they suddenly see the sea was started rising because that is the tsunami. So they started to run, but unfortunately his wife was swept away by the giant waves. Her two children along with their mother and brother also swept away, right? So thus the Ignatius lost his wife, her two children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. So this is the sad story of Ignatius. So the second story is about the Sanjeev. Sanjeev was a brave policeman. So on the day of tsunami, Sanjeev managed to save himself, his wife, and his baby daughter. Then suddenly he heard the cry for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. So he jumped into the water to save her, but unfortunately both the Sanjeev and the cook wife they swept away by the tsunami. This is the sad story of brave Sanjeev. So the next story is about the Meghna. Meghna was a 13-year-old girl. She was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people in the tsunami. But however, she was little lucky because she held on to a wooden door and kept floating on it for the 2 days. So after the 2 days, she was brought to the shore by the wave and saved. That luckily the Meghna life was saved on the day of tsunami. Right. So the next story is about the tragedy of Almas. Almas was the 10-year-old girl. Her family had gone to the another island to celebrate Christmas. Okay, on the time the family was sleeping, but her father had woke up. So on the time the Alma's father saw the sea waves, then he understood the waves would come back with force. So he tries to take his family to the safe place, but Alma's father and grandfather swept away by the giant waves, and unfortunately her mother and aunt also swept away by the giant waves. But luckily, the Alma saw a log of wood floating. Then she climbed onto it. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she found herself in the hospital. Oh, this is the tragedy story of Almas, right? So in the first part, we have learned the four stories, right? The story of Ignatius, the story of brave Sanjeev, the story of Meghna, and story of Almas. Okay, these stories are from the Andaman Nicobar Island. Now we'll move on to the second part, the Tilly incident. So this is a story from Thailand. Tilly was a small girl. Tilly's family had come to Thailand from England to celebrate Christmas. So it was December 26 and she was standing with her family on the beach. On the time, Tilly and her mother, Penny Smith, both saw the water was swelling. The beach was getting smaller and smaller in every moment. Then they saw the sea was slowly rise and started to foams. Then again the Tilly saw the sea was making whirlpools. What is the meaning of whirlpools? That means the water is circulating But Tilly's mother was not aware by these signs. But Tilly remembered the video that her geography teacher had shown in the class 2 weeks before. So she recalled the geography lesson that tsunami could be caused by the earthquakes, volcanoes, and the landslide. So suddenly she screamed and asked her family to go off from the beach. So at the time her mother did not sense anything terrible. However, she felt her daughter must be right, so her parents went up to the third floor of the hotel and survived. Thus, the geography lesson saved their life. So, this is the story of Tilly incident. And the story is from the Thailand, right? So shall we move on to the third part, that is the animal sense. So the third part is talking about the animal sense. So here some people they strongly believe that the animal having the extra sense, that is they are saying the animals they are having the ability to predict the tsunami, because in tsunami some around 1,50,000 people they lost their life, but only few animals died. So, for example, in Ala National Park in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors they were washed away by the tsunami, but only two animals died. In the same park, some people they observed the three elephants run away from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit. Okay, from this we can understand that the animals they having the ability to predict the tsunami, right? So the one more incident from this Sri Lanka, that is a man who had two dogs. Okay, on the day of tsunami, the both dogs were refused to go to beach with their master. So the master too stayed back in the home. So thus the dogs had saved his master life, right? So from this incident we can understand that the animals they have the ability to predict the tsunami, right? So the tsunami is a very simple lesson which is give us some important and inspiring incident. This occurs when tsunami hits some part of India, right? So in this lesson we have learned three different stories from the different countries, right? So in the first part we have four incident from the Andaman Nicobar Island. The second part the Tilly incident from the Thailand, and the third part the animal sense from the Sri Lanka, right? Like this the story ends. Now what you have to do, take the textbook and read the old lesson, you will understand it better. Okay, thank you.